All right, y'all. I'm looking at the rockers on the truck. They're not as bad as I thought. They got some bubbling and some rust in them, but I figured I'd have to replace the whole thing on the passenger side. I have two spots that are actually bad enough to where I need it. So what I'm going to do, a few of the spots are harder to see, but there's a couple of the bigger ones. On the bottom side, on the outside, there's the other one. I'm just going to replace what needs replaced on the outside. With this right here, I'm going to cut the inner lip out, and I'm going to cleco it in place and plug it. I'll be able to take and use the excess to fix that cab corner there, and probably the other one on the other side if it needs it. The driver's side one is worse than this one, but it's not going to be too horrible to fix. It actually has holes coming in it, but it's mainly the front and middle. There's a hole in the front on it, which is, normal for a 2001 truck. And this right here's got a lot more bubbles and a lot easier to see the issues, which I've got to say, I beat the crap out of it and neglected it. It deserves getting fixed now. I've had it for well over a decade, and it was just constantly used until something failed. Then I'd patch it and constantly use it until it failed again. I just never really did any preventative other than oil change. So we're going to get to it. There it is, fit up. I'm gonna take it off, cut out the bad spots, and put it to where it's gonna sit flush with the rest of it, and should be ready to rock. It's fit up pretty good. I got it tacked in. All I have to do now, I'm going to take a little bit of the extra metal, fill in right there on that quarter door, and then I'm going to take some and fix that cab corner. This side's tacked up, finishing this side's for a different day, and I got to get that quarter door back open because, like an idiot, I shut it and not stuck again. So, yeah, I should have took the latch out. Easy fix, though. Of course, I got to do the inner rockers because they went before the outer. I just didn't catch them. But so far, the outer looks good. I got enough material to do the inner and a little bit extra. So, y'all good, and I'll see you next time.